Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Charles Walhingford here again with another travel video. And today I'm giving you a tour of the Vacation Village Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, full kitchen room. This room and floor unit is a floor unit 281. I shot this video a few days into our trip, so you will see that this room is a little lived in. First thing we will see will be the master bedroom with a king-size bed. I don't have any knocks or unfavorable comments. I just have nitpicks. Here, the flat screen TV is a little small by today's standards. The bed was fine. My wife and I slept adequately. At the time of this video, there was no USB plugs around the bathroom, the bedroom, in the lamps or anything like that. Let's move on to the bathroom. This bathroom is very spacious, with double sinks, a large jetted tub, and a separate shower. And also a separate water closet. If you're not familiar with the term water closet, that is a separate door that opens to the toilet. Shower was large enough, but not large enough for 2 people. Wink, wink, nod, nod. Here is the water closet. The bathroom actually lets out into the living room. Let's move on to the living room and kitchen area. Like I said before, as you can see, this room is a little lived in. The flowers are not part of the room. This is my tradition where I have flowers sent to my wife on vacation. Feel free to copy that. So here we are in the kitchen. It's a regular size refrigerator and dishwasher. The cabinets were fully stocked with glassware, silverware, plates, cooking utensils, cookware. Okay, let's move on to the second bedroom. This particular room had just a full-size bed. Funny thing, the television in this bedroom, I think, was bigger. As you can see here in the second bathroom, the restroom is smaller, of course, but still enough room for a tub, not just a shower. Okay, let's move on to the living room. The furniture here is definitely an older style with the design and color. This may be by design. The majority of the tourist attractions in Williamsburg are historic. Not much contemporary design will be found. Here we have a gas fireplace and the flat screen television. Again, I have to comment on the size of the television, small by today's standards. But having that gas fireplace added a nice touch, though I kind of didn't need it the time of year I was in. Let's take a look at the patio and grounds. The little patio has a little table and plastic patio chairs. There is a barbecue grill for each building per 4 units. Okay, guys, that is my room review. You heard my nitpicking complaints. I enjoyed this room and my stay here at Vacation Village in Williamsburg, Virginia. The best thing about this room was the spaciousness, especially when it came to the master bedroom along with the adjoining bathroom. The big thing was the prices. The prices were very competitive. If you look around, a lot of the other resort type hotels have this a very similar layout. However, the price here was so much better for what you get. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Charles Walhingford, and the Vacation Village in Williamsburg, Virginia is how I would spend my money.